Take command of the road in the 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a rear seat entertainment system, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.